Alright, today we're going to make a little bit of kombucha. This is how we make it. We take 16 tea bags, bring it to a boil, add 2 cups of sugar in the raw, and then once that cools, we put it in a glass container. We add our SCOBY. It's organic. We ordered this off of Amazon. And then we're going to use 2 cups of starter. This is just kombucha that's already completed. Right, I poured the tea in here, and this is our starter, and this is our SCOBY. Now that SCOBY will grow to the whole size of that glass jar there. And then here is our starter. And all I do is I cover the top. And what'll happen is I'll let that sit for a week. After a week, I'll pour it in the glass jugs. I'll add a cup of tart cherry juice. And then I'll let it sit for 2 or 3 days. And that's it. Then refrigerate and drink. See the SCOBY? That was about the size of a hamburger bun last week. So now all we're going to do is take that out. We're going to put it in this jar. Now we're going to add 2 cups of starter. And this is just kombucha that we made a couple weeks ago. Now with that, we're just going to put the tea in there that we made yesterday. This gets bottled. So we're going to put this into these gallon jugs, and we're going to add 1 cup of an organic juice. It's pomegranate, a few berries, a few other things, and we get that right at Aldi. So we just put a cup. And we just cover it. And we start the process all over again. Now next Thursday, I'll brew up tea. And then Friday, I'll just put it in a clean container and do the same thing. So this is what we're going to put in those jars. This is just a piece of window screen. Now this, I usually leave about 3 days, and that gives it just the right amount of carbonation that I like. You can use green tea, black tea, or a combination of both. I like the green tea. I think it's a little bit lighter, and there's a lot of different recipes on. Tart cherry is one of our favorites with green tea, but we've mixed it up. And like I said, there's so many different recipes online. You can just find one that you prefer, but that's it. Recipes online, chart.
I can cut it out. Just start over.
Tart cherry is one